Lord here. Today we're going to be playing a game in Roblox called Rolling Thunder. It's a PvP game. It used to be only a PvE, but we made it a PvP, because why not? Stab this person right here from behind. They didn't even know, so that's nice. You got my pistol here, my sidearm, and then we have a Mawson, because why not? I just love it when stealth is optional, because you always know what option I'm gonna go with. I always go with stealth. And they just captured the D flag. So now I gotta go all the way back here. And I might as well snipe them from up here. I'm gonna snipe them from this point up here. See, this is actually a Rolling Thunder PvE map. Here, you can hear truck noises apparently. Where are they? Gotta get my knife up. There's a Dushka HMG on top of there, I don't know why. Protection, I guess. So we cleared the point, now we just gotta capture it. I have no clue what that does. I think we're being assaulted. And last time I tried to do this, my game crashed and I died with the M1C. I'm gonna quick respawn. I spawned all the way over here. Oh, jeez. They just come out of nowhere. Yeah, so yeah, we're gonna go with the assault thing here. So we're gonna go up here now. And I died immediately with a Mawson. I keep dying! Oh my god, there's spawn camping! Yeah, everybody loves spawn camping. There we go. Where'd they go? Got him. And I died. Oh, you can press B to use a bandage? I didn't know that. I'm gonna spawn on this guy over here. There we go. See, and now we're gonna sneak up on him. Probably gonna like stab one and then get killed immediately. Oh. Where'd they go? Man's just chilling under here. Oh no, that's a radio pack. This is a spawn beacon. I'm gonna hop up here. So yeah, if you look in the bottom left of the map, I've been alerted by them. I wanna. Oh, that's a grenade. Got him. That's a kill. That's a melee kill, actually. Oh, he's right there! So yeah, I have a new strategy. Just hide in this house and wait for someone to come. Just kind of come over here. Someone's coming. Hello! 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 I'm stuck in the roof! I'm stuck in the roof! Help me! There! Oh, oh no, he got me! He stabbed me through the roof. Why don't we go back there, huh? Go back there and pay him a little. Come here! Come here! Come here! Oh no! I can't just like, I don't have enough reaction time. I hit him once. I got decimated with an M1C. Look out the window. Nothing there. And we're just gonna make a break for it because why not? So yeah, I'm probably gonna play until like this match ends. Also, I have only 2 minutes left to make this. So the next time I die, I'm just gonna end the video, you know? Okay, that was just kind of a waste. There's an enemy right over here. There he is. There he is right there. There we go, got him. I'm just gonna look out here. There's my squad mate, and they got sniped immediately. That's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to end it at 8 minutes. This is a short one. So in the meantime, this is all for the video. This is basically a makeshift Battlefield 1968 or something. Because if that were a real game, I would hire the people who made this game, make it into that. In the meantime, that's gonna be it for today. Well, tonight actually. So yeah, floor it out. I'll see you in the next video. See ya.